Hey y'all, in for H&H here with the Kenwood TS-890S. As you know, I'm shooting a series about this radio, type of tutorial series. I'm not even sure how I'm going to title this video. Maybe I'll think of something as I go through this. What I want to show you is a difference between Kenwood and, say, Yaesu, because you know I've shot a lot of Yaesu videos. So Yaesu has something called band stacking. So each band in their newer radios, you can store 3 different frequency mode filter combinations, and they're called band stacks, band stack registers. I call them. There's 3 per band. Well, this radio has that as well. They don't call it band stacking, but you know, you can look. You see right here it says band 2. Band 2. Now if I tap, I'm on the 40 meter band, if I tap the 7 up here, it's going to go to band 3. If I tap it again, it's going to go to band 1, and band 1 is set up for CW. This is kind of cool. What I'm about to show you is that it remembers that the last time I was operating CW, I was using the decoder and I had my stored messages up on the display there, mainly because I don't have them memorized yet. Because as you know, you may have seen this in another video, I use this keyboard and I can press the function 1 through function 8 to send those messages, and I can do CW without touching my key. I'm not going to keep doing that because I don't want to lose my fist, as we say in CW. I want to be able to continue to do it manually, and of course, I want to continue to copy by ear. But what I want you to notice is it's remembering everything. It's even remembering that I'm using noise reduction 2. Now here's where it differs from the Yaesu. The band stack registers in the Yaesu, I can go to a different band and it may or may not be using noise reducer 2. It may or may not have the decoder engaged. It remembers everything you did in that band stack register. Okay, so here's how you can remember how it is with the Kenwood. It remembers by mode. So I'm going to change bands and show you what I mean. 14063. I just went to the 20 meter band. I'm in band 1, so that's like a band stack. The noise reduction 2 is engaged. It is set up to decode, and it shows my pre-recorded or typed in messages. Could have done that with the paddle too. It didn't remember that because I set up that band stack register that way. It remembered that because it's the mode CW. So I'm going to go over here to 28. Noise reduction 1 is engaged here for sideband. Now I'm going to go to, I'll go to 18. Noise reduction 1 is engaged. Let me turn off noise reduction 1, no noise reduction at all, and I'll go back to 28. No noise reduction is on. So it's remembering everything by mode, not by band stack register, okay, or band stack, if you will. I don't want you to think that something's wrong if you're coming off of a Yaesu to a Kenwood, or if you're moving from a Kenwood to a Yaesu. This is how it is. And I mean, you could argue that that's cool. I mean, because, okay, on my Yaesu, if I go in and I make a change in a particular band stack and I go, wow, I like that, I think I'd like to do that for every band. I'd have to go into every band, into that band stack register, say it's the CW register, and make that change. But on the other hand, it may be that, I think I may title this something to do with band stacks. But on the other hand, it may be that on certain bands I need certain filters, you know, certain settings, certain widths, what have you. So you can argue both ways have their pluses. But I just wanted you to see that with the Kenwood here, that it is following the mode. That's the thing to remember from this video. All your settings follow the mode, no matter what band you're on. So again, I'm gonna go back to 7. The last time I was here, I was doing CW mode. So look at this. Noise reduction 2. it's remembering that I was using noise reduction 2 for CW. Okay, let's go over to 14, noise reduction 2. Now if I change that to noise reduction 1, or let's just say no noise reduction, I go back to 40 meters, see, no noise reduction. So it is remembering by mode. Okay, I hope you found the video helpful and informative. Thank you for watching videos on my channel. I hope you're enjoying this series. I had to buy this radio so I could shoot this series, but in so doing, I don't have a manufacturer or a dealer censoring what I'm telling you. I'm going to show you the good, the bad, and the ugly, and that is made possible by members of the Patreon support team.